Bahala sa logistics, Drew, ha? Siguraduhin mong maayos ang setup ng bawat event. Lalo na yung talent bootcamp ni Mr. Dichoso next week. VIP heavy tayo dun. So kailangan maayos ang lahat-lahat ng rented villas, lights, sounds, at security. Siguraduhin mo na malinis kahit pinakasingit-singitan ng mabawat inidoro ng mga restrooms.
Okay. Got it, sir. Copy. Ako bahala.
Sean, ikaw naman ang bahala sa mga guests natin. Gusto kong hindi lang sila masisiyahan. Dapat ma-impress sila. May nabanggit kang request na hinihingi ng isang guest? Yung sa event ni Sir Julius?
Yes, boss. Some of the guests are allergic to seafood. They're also requesting for a private table setup as well as personalized room arrangements.
Gawan mo ng paraan yan. Okay? Siguraduhin mong may personal touch para feel nilang inaalagaan talaga sila. Pagtulungan nyo na ni Drew.
No need. I can do it alone, sir.
Okay, good. Paano yung allotted budget natin? May ilalaan pa ba for last-minute adjustments?
Kaya pa naman, sir. Medyo tight lang sa ilang events, lalo na yung pa 3-day workshop ni Sir Monching. Kaya we need to know as early as possible kung may additionals para hindi tayo mag-go over the budget.
Sige, bigyan mo ako ng breakdown mamaya. Ayoko ng surprise gastos. Wilfred,
Yes, sir.
ikaw ang pinaka-busy sa atin. Siguraduhin mong maayos ang coordination sa catering, housekeeping, guests at vendors. Ayoko ng last minute. Ay, hindi pala available. Malilintikan ka sa akin kapag nangyari ulit yan.
Yes, sir. I promise hindi na mangyayari yun. And may coordination na tayo with suppliers and guests. Crab.
Good. Basta i-update nyo ako this Friday. But for now, may pupuntahan ako external meeting. Kung may emergency, nandyan si Drew.
Yes, sir.
Or si Sean. Have to go, guys.
Okay, sir.
See you, sir.
Ingat.
Yes, sir. Po.